This is Mark the Meerkat Trader here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Hey, I'd like to talk to you a trader that we had in the Grok trading room this morning, and it was on data. And data was just got crushed on after earnings last night, and here it was, and we did get we got a really beautiful short trade there. And then it was setting up for a symmetrical triangle, but we were trading several others. So what happened was it broke down from this symmetrical triangle right to the 102 area. Now these even dollar amounts can be support, and so I set a trade right down below here since I missed the initial one. If it broke down below the 102, I wanted to be short. And sure enough, bam, very next candle, and I'm in at 101 and 97. I'm short on DATA. And these even dollar amounts, big. In fact, look at it. When it dropped here to the 101 area. Yeah, that's about a 1% drop. But then it sat there and it based now at the 101 line of support. And then, bam. And now it's down to the $100 mark. Now we need to talk about this, because the $100 mark is the strongest support and resistance line for even dollar amounts of all. They call it the century mark. Now let's see if this breaks down below that 100 area there. Doesn't. So I'm pulling my stop down here to 101, and now it's this long down there. I'm pulling it down even tighter, just above this 8 EMA on this 1 minute chart. And it's still there, Pull it down a little bit more, and boom, there we go. I'm now out. Look at that. When it did not break the $100 century mark, and it took off again. Stopped me out at $100.31, and so a total trade of 1.5% in 19 minutes. But the important lesson here is that these can be major lines of support and resistance. So I tightened up my stop when it got to it. And then when it broke out, look at this. It just kept on going. And right up to just above the 101. Let's see if that acted as support. And it did. Well, I thought it did. There it goes. Back up. Now it's at the 102 again. Used that as support for a little while. And the 103. Then the one, I guess, kept on going up there until, of course, Big Red came into play. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Trader. I'm going to be on vacation here in Upper Maine, and then we're going to be on the Rhode Island coast, and then a family reunion down in Baltimore. So I won't be back here and trading desk until August the 10th. That's a Monday. So you all trade well in the meantime, and hey, just remember, at Grok Trade, we set our trades and let the market come to us. Trade well.